Think about the first time you wanted something you didn't actually need. Not food, not shelter, something unnecessary. How old were you? 7? 10? And where did that want come from? Did you decide as a child that you needed a certain toy? Or did someone, multiple someones, convince you that you did? Erich Fromm called this manufactured desire, and the system that creates it is so subtle, so invisible, that most people never realize they're being shaped. The question isn't whether you're being influenced. The question is how much of what you want is actually yours. After World War II, something shifted. Factories that once produced weapons needed something else to produce, and economies faced a problem. People didn't need much anymore. They had homes, cars, stability. Enough. So consumption had to become something more than survival. It had to become identity. Advertising didn't just grow, it changed its purpose. It stopped fulfilling needs and started creating them.
There's a well-known idea attributed to economist Victor Lebeau that consumption must become a way of life, that satisfaction itself must come from buying, not as a side effect, as the goal. Let that sink in. Spiritual satisfaction through consumption. Advertisers don't sell products, they sell identities. A car isn't transportation, it's status. A phone isn't communication, it's identity. A piece of clothing isn't fabric, it's belonging. And Fromm understood something critical here. When people feel empty, they don't look inward first, they look outward. And the system is designed to meet that movement halfway. Think about social media. You see someone's life, curated, filtered, optimized. You feel something subtle, inadequacy. So you act, you buy something, you change something, you post something, you get validation. It fades, so you repeat it. And nobody had to explicitly tell you this system exists. You just learned it. Quietly, over time. But it starts much earlier than most people think. Fromm wrote that consumer culture is not just something you enter as an adult, it's trained, conditioned, rewarded. You do well in school, you get something. You feel bad, you get something. You feel left out, something new will fix it. And slowly, a pattern forms. Emotional states are no longer processed. They are solved through acquisition. By the time you're older, you don't ask what you feel. You ask what you should get. And that shift feels normal because everyone around you is doing the same. Value becomes measurable. Income, possessions, appearance, lifestyle. And without noticing it, you begin to treat those things as identity. The old system of advertising was visible. Billboards, TV ads, obvious persuasion. But the modern system is different. It learns you. It adapts to you. It studies your behavior and reflects it back in optimized form. Your attention is not just captured, it is predicted and then shaped. Influencer culture accelerated this even further because now the advertisement doesn't look like an advertisement. It looks like a person, someone relatable, someone you trust, someone who feels like a friend. And the boundary between consumption and connection disappears. Erich Fromm predicted something very close to this. A world where people become so identified with what they consume that the line between self and product begins to dissolve. And the cost of this system is not just economic, it's psychological. A constant sense of not enough, not successful enough, not attractive enough, not complete enough, because the system depends on dissatisfaction. If you were ever fully satisfied, you would stop participating. This creates what psychologists call the hedonic treadmill. You get what you want, it feels good. Then it fades, and your baseline resets. So what once felt like progress becomes normal, and normal becomes insufficient again. Fromm's insight here was simple, but uncomfortable. You cannot solve a problem created by the having mode using more having. You cannot consume your way out of consumption. You cannot buy your way into meaning, because the moment you try, you are still inside the system that created the problem. So the question becomes different. Not how do I get more, but how do I step outside this pattern at all? And that is where the next part begins. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this series. Thank you.